Mini wooden crafts have become increasingly popular in recent years, aligning with trends in home decor that emphasize sustainability, creativity, and personalization. The charm of miniature wooden items lies in their versatility and the way they can enhance various spaces, from cozy nooks to expansive living areas. These small-scale projects can be both decorative and functional, allowing artisans to explore their creativity while producing unique pieces that resonate with current trends. Hello there, dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of mini wood crafts and mini wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. The allure of mini wooden crafts often begins with their simplicity. These projects require minimal materials and can be completed with basic tools, making them accessible to crafters of all skill levels. For instance, creating small wooden planters is a wonderful way to bring greenery into your home. These planters can be designed to hold succulents or herbs, which are perfect for kitchen windowsills or dining tables. The natural texture of wood complements the vibrant colors of plants, creating a striking visual contrast. By using reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials, artisans can produce planters that are not only stylish, but also environmentally friendly. Another exciting trend is the creation of miniature wooden organizers. In a world where clutter can easily accumulate, these small organizers serve a practical purpose while adding a touch of style to any environment. Crafting a mini desk organizer from wood allows you to create compartments for pens, sticky notes, and other office supplies. This not only keeps the workspace tidy, but also introduces an element of warmth through the natural aesthetics of wood. Personalizing these organizers with unique designs or paint can also reflect individual style, making them a delightful addition to any desk or workspace. Miniature wooden shelves are another trendy project that can elevate home decor. These shelves can be crafted in various shapes and sizes, allowing for creative expression. A small, geometric shelf can serve as a perfect display for tiny plants, candles, or decorative objects. The trend of utilizing negative space in design means that even a simple wooden shelf can become a focal point, especially when styled with curated items. Crafting these shelves from light woods, like pine or birch, can enhance the airy feel of a room, while darker woods can add depth and richness. In the realm of home decor, mini wooden signs have gained popularity for their ability to convey messages or sentiments in a stylish manner. These signs can be made from scrap wood, making them an economical choice for crafters. By using stencils or freehand painting, artisans can create inspirational quotes, family names, or seasonal greetings, which can be displayed on walls, shelves, or entryways. The rustic charm of wood combined with personalized messages creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, perfect for welcoming guests into the home. Wooden coasters are another mini craft project that has seen a resurgence in popularity. Crafting coasters allows for creativity, as artisans can experiment with different shapes, sizes, and finishes. By using wood slices or cutting boards, you can create unique coasters that showcase the natural grain patterns of the wood. Adding a protective finish, such as epoxy or varnish, not only enhances durability, but also adds a glossy touch that can elevate the overall look. These coasters can serve as functional art pieces, making them great conversation starters when entertaining guests. The trend of minimalism has also influenced the world of mini wooden crafts. Simple, clean designs resonate with those looking to declutter their spaces and focus on essential items. Crafting minimalist wooden toys, such as small cars or stacking blocks, allows artisans to create beautiful, timeless pieces that can be enjoyed by both children and adults. These toys are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also offer educational value, encouraging creativity and imaginative play. The natural finish of the wood ensures that these toys remain safe and appealing, aligning with the growing demand for sustainable, eco-friendly products. Another popular trend in mini wooden crafts is the creation of decorative wooden beads. These beads can be used in a variety of ways, from jewelry making to embellishing home decor items. Crafting wooden beads allows for endless creativity, as artisans can paint, stain, or leave them in their natural state, depending on the desired aesthetic. Stringing these beads together to create garlands or mobile decorations can enhance the ambience of a room, adding a playful yet sophisticated touch. This project illustrates how many wooden crafts can seamlessly merge functionality with decorative flair. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Miniature wooden furniture is also gaining traction in the realm of decor. Crafting tiny chairs, tables, or shelves can result in charming accent pieces that can be used to style dollhouses, display items, or even serve as whimsical decor in children's rooms. These miniature furnishings not only capture the imagination, but also showcase the craftsmanship involved in creating them. By using real wood, artisans can create pieces that are durable and visually appealing, allowing them to blend seamlessly with the decor of any room. The trend of upcycling has made its way into many wooden crafts, encouraging artisans to repurpose old wood into new creations. This approach not only reduces waste, but also adds character to the final products. For instance, turning old wooden pallets into mini garden boxes or decorative shelves can yield impressive results. The weathered look of reclaimed wood can add a rustic charm to any space, resonating with those who appreciate the beauty of imperfections. Upcycling projects often tell a story, making them even more meaningful to those who bring them into their homes. Incorporating technology into mini wooden crafts can also be an engaging way to stay current with trends. For example, using a laser cutter to create intricate designs on wooden surfaces can elevate the aesthetic quality of small projects. These detailed engravings can be applied to signs, coasters, or even ornaments, allowing for a blend of craftsmanship and modern technology. The precision offered by laser cutting opens up new possibilities for creativity, enabling artisans to produce unique pieces that stand out. Moreover, the concept of modular design is gaining popularity in the realm of mini wooden crafts. Creating small, interchangeable pieces that can be assembled in various configurations allows for versatility in decor. For instance, crafting a set of mini wooden blocks that can be arranged to form different shapes or structures encourages playfulness while offering an artistic touch to a space. This approach aligns with the trend of personalization, as individuals can adjust their decor according to their preferences and moods. As the popularity of mini wooden crafts continues to grow, it is essential to consider the presentation and marketing of these items. Showcasing the beauty of wood through thoughtful photography can capture the attention of potential buyers. Highlighting the natural grain, texture, and finish of each piece can convey its quality and craftsmanship. Additionally, sharing the story behind each creation, whether it's the inspiration or the crafting process, can create an emotional connection with customers, making them more likely to appreciate and invest in the product. Mini wooden crafts offer a delightful avenue for creativity and self-expression, aligning perfectly with current trends in home decor and craft products. From functional items like coasters and organizers to decorative pieces like signs and miniature furniture, the possibilities are endless. The beauty of wood in its natural state, combined with innovative design approaches and sustainability, makes these projects not only aesthetically pleasing but also meaningful. As artisans continue to explore the potential of mini wooden crafts, they create unique, cherished items that enhance the beauty of our homes and reflect individual style. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked mini wood crafts and mini wooden decorative pieces ideas you can use for your home, office, or patio decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.